Hello everyone, today we will examine the simulation technique. First of all, we will begin with what is the simulation technique. Basically, simulation is the teaching of a powerful technique to imitate or replicate real events. When we examine its meaning in the field of education specifically, it's the teaching technique that allows students to handle an event as if it is real and to do educational work on it. The simulation technique is not a doubt, it's a moment, an event. Examples of using simulations in educations. War games in military educations. Pilots training under atypical conditions before flight. Training of astronauts. Medications work on cadavers. The training of driver candidates. History. History of the simulation technique. The history of modern digital simulation can be traced back to World War II. Mathematicians John von Neumann and Stanislaw Yulin used newly developed computer techniques to model nuclear detonations for weapon design. Their experiments were very successful and simulations became very popular, finding applications in other industries. However, building and running simulation was very difficult and took a lot of time during this period. Simulation technology continued to improve in the 1960s as computer scientists made dedicated efforts to potential applications of simulators. In the 1960s, the first industrial plant operations simulator was developed. The first simulation conference, the Winter Simulation Conference, was held in 1967. Computer scientists gathered to discuss and document simulation languages. Simulation tools gradually gained traction, with new uses in industrial training emerging over the following decades. Today, real-time simulation and sophisticated 3D simulation environments were developed in the 1990s and incorporated into training software as computer hardware improved. Today, simulations are widely used in various industries for educating due to their numerous advantages. Why is the simulation used? Areas of use of simulation technique. Predicts the outcome and course of certain decisions. Determine the cause of observed results. To reveal the effects of changes. Evaluating the ideas and identified inefficiencies. Simulation can be used to study the internal structure of a complex system or subsystem in a complex system. Application. Application of simulation technique. There are three stages. The first one, adapting preparation. Explanation of the subject and purpose of the simulation. Definition of simulation. Determining the rules to be followed and rules sharing. The second one is environment. Students' participation in their game and demonstrate their rules. Teacher observes without interference. Teacher taking notes while watching the event. The last of them, the third one, interview and review. Advantages. It is interesting. It creates a desire to learn. It saves learning from abstraction and provides concrete learning by doing and experiencing. It develops the skills of individuals to realize what they know. Accidents and expenses are minimized. Individuals' ability to analyze and synthesize improves. Disadvantages. Sometimes it can be difficult to reproduce the exact situation. It is artificial and often simplified. In reality, it is possible to encounter situations that are not encountered in the artificial. Researches. There are many researches made upon simulation techniques. 4 of them have been written in the below. The first one, creating effective interactive tools for learning. The second one, computer simulations to classroom tools for change. The third one, an interactive optical tweezer simulation for science education. The fourth one, Sims for Science, powerful tools to support in car-based teaching. Thanks for listening.